So this is AL4 automatic transmission, which is removed from T6 307 with no, it's not. Is it T6? No, this is T5. Sorry. Oh, it's T6 because you can see this is EW10A. It's T6. I can also see the tail light from here. Anyway. Though some T5, the late T5 actually has this EW10A engine. So, by the way, back to what we are discussing. So this is AL4. So the mechanic is trying to repair it. As you can see, he has opened it up. I don't know what exactly is going on. So you can see what he's doing. That's the differential. This is the differential. Is this part of it? What that part of it anyway? Is this not the crown wheel? Let's see. Anyway, no, that's the torque converter. Honestly, I don't know. Maybe he's trying to use another gearbox to repair another. Because you can see, this is also a Nigerian used gearbox. Maybe he's trying to repair. I don't know. This looks like a fully used gearbox. When you look at it, maybe there's a further repair. I don't know. Maybe it's a fully used gearbox, so he just purchased this gearbox. And so I'm using it has to be open. Honestly, if you have a 307, I always recommend just change the gearbox, convert it to manual. I won't be going through all this stuff. But anyway, people prefer automatic no matter what. So, it's well. Alright.